Welcome back to the Crypto Bliss Show this evening, guys. I apologize for being a bit late today, but today, let's not waste any time. We have a lot to get into, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Tonight, we are going to be talking about how Bitcoin is currently in price discovery, guys. I am wearing my Eat, Sleep, Repeat Bitcoin t-shirt. Boom, there it is right there for you guys. So, I am literally with you guys every single day. I might not be doing videos for you guys every single day at the moment, but truly thank you very much for being here no matter what. Truly appreciate the channel has still continued to grow. Really appreciate that, guys. I am going to be pounding you with videos over the course of this week because I have set allocated times for you. I have crazy stuff to show you. But in this video today, this live stream, we are going to be sharing a ton of alpha. So don't even miss out on one single moment of this content. Right. Thank you for being here with me today, guys. The page is here, 1.65K subscribers. Let's get it to 2K subscribers by the end of March, guys. There is alpha going to be dropping here right now. Are you still early? Well, you're going to have to wait and see this entire video to see if you are still early or if you are a little too late right now. So let's not even waste a single second, guys. Today, the Morales money bubbles. Well, the CoinGecko cryptocurrency market cap is currently sitting at just sub 3 trillion at $2.84 trillion. The trading volume is $192 billion today, guys. I don't think you actually get this, but money is flowing heavily into crypto recently, and most certainly it's flowing into very particular kinds of cryptos, and we will touch base on that in a short moment. Make sure to stay tuned right to the very end of the video. I guess my computer is not very happy with me today. This is the first time this computer has done this. So we're just going to be a little bit patient for it to respond. All right, there you go. So right now, the Morales money bubbles. We're going to be talking about a whole bunch of stuff. But guys, come over to my Twitter page. I do occasionally post some stuff for you there. I do share some stuff for you there. It's not very, very often, but I am doing my best to do and keep up with the times, the trends, the things. If you've been following my page, you've been seeing I've been making massive, massive gains with those breakouts, those coins, with meme coins, all kinds of things. But yeah, make sure to come check my page out, and I will share those beautiful energies there with you going forward. Now, the Morales money bubbles are currently exploding. But how are they exploding at the moment? Well, you guys can see that currently we are seeing near Litecoin, AVAX, Bitcoin, Crow, Dodge, Theta, Uni, Pulse, Stellar, Ripple's pumping, guys, pumping. You know, that wick that we had the other day, it got me out of my trade because I tightened my stop loss on my XRP. You know, guys, my entries are great, but obviously that's why I always keep a very open stop loss. Okay. And that's my personal risk strategy. And you guys should have your own, but that is mine for me. But pretty much everything. I mean, Hex was down 58-60% this morning. So was FX. So very interesting to see those falling a little bit. But otherwise, everything else is pretty much pumping here today, guys. So I would not be going anywhere. And that is a signal to you guys as to what is going on in the crypto space right here, right now. What is going on in price action, and what are we about to experience going forward? So first of all, I just want to be sharing with you, of course, the biggest, the best, and best, most beautiful Big Daddy coin, Bitcoin. As you guys can see, we have officially cleared the all-time high, and we are currently in price discovery. So since that moment, in fact, it's even a little bit lower. If I was to really, really zoom in and tighten that line there, okay, Okay, there you go. That is the level, guys. Look at that level. So not only did we close this candle just slightly above that white line, but we wicked well above it, okay, and we wicked down here. This little shizer of a wick is what got us all out, and that's the thing about crypto, guys. I mean, look at the size of these wicks that can happen. I mean, look at wicks, pah, smack you down, pah, smack you out. But I mean, people would have over here, people would have bought in over here, okay, and patiently waited for the market to do this next rally. And they probably would have put their stop loss underneath that level. But look at that. They would have got stopped out twice here. So, you know, that's the thing about the market is you got to be very careful to keep wider stop losses, okay? In some instances, guys, that's not always true in every instance. But look at the volume that came in last week, guys. This is, of course, a weekly chart. Look at the volume that has come in. I don't know about you guys, but Bitcoin is not going anywhere. It's not going to stop. It's not literally going to do anything other than go up. So right now, this line here is the potential halving date, more or less around. And as you guys can see, we have literally broken the all-time high. This has never, ever, ever happened in the history of Bitcoin. And that's the thing about our beautiful Bitcoin is that it is the king, and never shall we be judgmental of the king. Just trade it. Bitcoin is one to date, own. You know, Da Vinci says, don't trade it, don't hate it, don't date. Don't date it, don't hate it, don't date it. Just trade it. This was the 2013 peak. This was the halving. We pulled back at the halving, and then we took like 220 days to break out of the halving. Okay, and only then did it happen. After the halving, did that breakout happen? The same thing happened in 2017. So guys, it's been a long day, past few days from me. I've been working like a beast. But there was the all-time high in 2017. There was the halving. We pulled down to the halving, and then we started to pull up towards the halving, and then it took us 203 days to break the high. Now, there's one major difference right now about this cycle, is that every single time there's the high, we have now officially broken the high. Here is the halving date, which means that we have broken the high before the halving date. Now, isn't that very interesting, guys? Because considering where we actually are, okay, we are officially in price discovery. And honestly, guys, I predicted with this chart here, this one. This is the total crypto market cap. The total crypto market cap hasn't actually reached the high of the all-time high. I think, and I'm just going to say, even though there's strong buy volume here, I think we could have a massive buy into this, hit this level, pull back somewhat. I think we could pull back at least to the current levels, very minimum, create the handle pattern, down back here, 2.5 trillion, and then skyrocket to new all-time highs on this crypto cycle. Crypto market cap. And my office is very hot, guys. Thank you for your patience with me. But, guys, so this is this. We have bust through this level of 55K resistance. We bust through the 60K level. And we have bust through the all-time high at 65K level. So I don't know about you guys, but Bitcoin is a train that is unstoppable right now. And I just have very, very much to say to you that this cycle is very different. It doesn't look like any of the previous cycles that we have had, guys, because if you go back, right back to the original happenings of Bitcoin, okay, and there was more data than this, all the way down to crazy year 2009 in some other charts, but this literally, look at this pump. It was just straight weekly green candles, okay? This here, straight weekly green candles, and then in price discovery, it had to sell off something. It can't just keep going straight up. And that's what Bitcoin is busy doing right now. So, I mean, from there, straight green candles, the next level. Look at how perfectly we touched that 4618. Then we rejected all the way back down 50% to the almost to the 2618 before making another crazy rally to the upside, guys. I mean, look at these levels. Okay, look at the levels we are seeing. Okay, all the way up from the 0 to the 1. Okay, the same thing happened here. Okay, so we pumped green candles. We pumped green candles. We pumped green candles with a 50% pullback. 50% pullback's normal, as you guys can see now. Then we pumped another bit, and then we dumped 50%, and then we pumped another 50%, 100%. So, you know, right now we have drawn this massive cup and handle pattern. It is very, very obvious, guys. We will definitely and absolutely have to have some sort of pullback at some point, even if that means us getting all the way up here to the 1.618 and then over 200 days maybe pulling back before we have the next rally of 300 days of possible the most insane gains you have ever seen in your life, guys. I cannot express more to you, you know, how this is going to unfold. We are literally at the best time we have ever seen in history, and currently the market cap is sitting just shy of $3 trillion, guys. We are just beginning. $3 trillion already, guys. Since December, we have tripled in market cap. I don't know if you guys can see this, if you can realize this. Okay, my beautiful chart, it's not working there. 2.8 trillion. We're up 3.4%. Daily trading volume is in the hundreds of millions every single day right now at the moment. Guys, Bitcoin is sitting at $1.4 trillion. Ethereum is sitting sub $500 million. Tether is sitting at $102 billion. Okay, Solana's at 65. Guys, if Solana goes 10x, that's 1,460 price. I think Solana can 10x, guys. I'm not kidding. Like, if Ethereum from this level, maybe I think Ethereum could maybe 6x, guys. 6x, I mean, that would be 6, 12, 18, 24. I mean, it's 24,000 Ethereum, guys. I don't know. I think 12 to 15,000 Ethereum this cycle is reasonable. But I think Bitcoin is the one that is going to get all of the attention until we get the Ethereum's spot ETF approved in May, and hopefully it gets approved first time round. There is no reason for them to not approve it. Okay, we are now officially above 4,000 on Ethereum, and guys, 4,000. We are literally like a few $100s away from the all-time high on Ethereum. So Ethereum is literally getting ready to break through its ceiling too, just like Bitcoin is currently in that beautiful price discovery stage. So is Ethereum going to end up doing the same, guys? I mean, at the way this momentum is and velocity is really just increasing, we are very, very oversold. I mean, we're sitting at 9. Where are we? Actually, we are at 89 only on the RSI. So very honestly, like, we could still get to like the 96, pushing at 98, but we could get up to the 96. I mean, look at Bitcoin currently on the weekly. It's literally just, it's ramming through price discovery right now. And that's the most beautiful thing. If we look at this thing on the daily, guys, look at this. Doesn't mean we don't just kind of go up and then, I mean, we don't just, just shoot straight up. Okay, we're probably going to hit some of these psychological levels of like 75 and 80K and 85K, maybe even 88K could be a level, 90K, 95K, 100K, guys. But we literally are, we're at 72%. We are 38% away from 100K. 38%, guys. Bitcoin did 38% in January, more than that. Okay, so I don't know about you, but I mean, Bitcoin could do this in another month, and there is literally just buying. But even when we hit levels like this. Look how much this retraced. Boom, look at that retracement. Doesn't mean we can't pump there and then have a retracement, okay? Like a crazy retracement. But guys, once we go into this price discovery, it's going to be very, very, very hard for us to come back down to the 60K level right now. We may not even do it in the next bear cycle. I don't know. I'm predicting some stuff. But if we go and look at the banter bubbles, you can see, guys, meme coins are just pumping right now. And this is going to be part of my share with you guys just now. I'm giving you a sneak peek into it. But meme coins are literally already $62 billion dollars at the moment, with Dogecoin and Shiba Inu and, literally taking up the entire market cap there. Pepe could literally 10x from where it is and give you a $30 billion market cap. Guys, this market cap for meme coins, undoubtedly, even dog with a hat. Guys, dog with a hat. It's only sitting at $2 billion right now. Dog with a hat. I mean, I think we could. I mean, we've seen Shiba Inu sitting at around an $80 billion market cap. So I don't see why we couldn't get up to like 100, 150, $200 billion market cap in some of these altcoins, really. And I think dog with a hat, Floki, Pepe, Bonk, Corgi AI, Maga, Cock Inu, Snake, some of those Toshi, Grok, Welsh, Turbo, some of these could literally be the ones that smash through Dogecoin and Shiba Inu's all-time highs, break the bank, and take this market cap up to maybe $600 billion in itself. Guys, this is what I'm saying to you. I think the meme coin market cap in itself is going to 10x. Okay, that's $600 billion. Could we see $1 trillion meme coin market cap? I'm not saying one individual, I'm saying the entire market cap, guys. Possibly. I wouldn't rule that out. We are going to see some crazy stuff happen this cycle. Now, if you have not yet subscribed to my Twitter page, go ahead and subscribe to my Twitter page, guys. That would be truly appreciated. If you're enjoying the video and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the Crypto Bliss channel. There is so much more alpha I am about to bring you. Rip it up. So you guys know what to do. Just destroy whatever button you see on the channel. Just destroy it, guys. Please, just go ahead. That would be truly amazing. And remember, if you guys want to trade, we're going to do some trading a little bit later. Hopefully our trading actually works today. But we're going to trade with my Bybit link down below, $30,000 deposit bonus. Bitflex link down below, $88,888 deposit bonus. Together, $128,888 bonus, guys. I've been trading like an absolute beast. I don't know about you guys, but I have been making cash. Okay. So, as we cruise on, we see the market cap continue to just increase and climb in this beautiful narrative, guys. So, right now, I'd love to say thank you to Eric Balchunas and James Seifert, because these two gents are constantly keeping us updated in the crypto space. So are most YouTubers at the moment, but these guys are keeping us posted on the ETF, Bitcoin ETF, as an analyst, and so is James Seifert. He's all about ETFs, crypto, and asset management, and these are both champions from Bloomberg, and they talk about all kinds of stuff happening. So come and check them out. But basically, new from me on how conquering gold ETFs could be too easy a goal for the spot Bitcoin ETF. The early flows and volume are just overwhelming. Set strong foundation for growth. Okay, to think bigger now. I agree. I think Bitcoin is going to destroy, ETFs are going to destroy gold spot ETFs. And I think we will soon. And I'd like to go and get our market cap, guys. Our market cap, we'll have a look at that in a moment. Because if we're looking at here, technology is literally sitting at like, $300 trillion market cap technology. Gold is sitting at, 300 billion. Gold sitting at just under 100 billion. ESG, same thing as gold. I mean, ESG is like a scam in itself, guys, but yet it's sitting as high as gold market cap. So people who are calling Bitcoin a scam? I just have no clue. I mean, look at the spot Bitcoin ETF. It's catching up to low volatility derivatives. It's catching up. It's going to inhale real estate. It's already inhaled industrials, preferential stocks and shares. Low volatility is coming in. It's literally about to break through all of these things. So I don't know about you, but oh man. The 2x Nvidia ETF is busting up big time. Traded 2.2 billion on Friday, headed the same today, and is now 1.3 billion dollars under assets under management. So, you know, for you guys, I really just have to say to you, these are this is the liquidity, but you know, this is the first 2 months of officially in the books. It's felt like 6, and the 10 ETFs now have over $55 billion in assets, with exactly double that in volume at 110 billion. If these were numbers at the end of year, I'd call them a success. To do it in 8 weeks is simply absurd. Now, guys, some of the gents have been saying inflows of $150 billion will be coming into the space very, very fast. Now, I mean, look at this crazy, fund assets under management, $8.6 billion. I mean, look at this. Look at how many Bitcoin. Yeah, guys. I mean, geez, like this stuff is crazy. I mean, you guys know. I don't need to tell you. You guys watch me. You watch other YouTubers. You watch all kinds of things. And $55 billion in assets when we're expecting a $150 billion in asset move. I mean, if we go and look at where we were when we actually had the spot ETF launch, or somewhere around here. No. Where is it? November. Yeah, January. Yeah, 9th of January. I mean, we had the spot ETF launch. Okay. Let's go see what we've done just since the spot ETF launch, guys. Just since this. Currently, we have done 77%. I mean, if we were to get to $150 billion, that's going to triple. That's 210%. Before we chill out. What does 210% look like, guys? 210% takes us up here all the way up to about 130K Bitcoin price. That is mad, guys. Guys, we are literally heading into the best thing that you could ever imagine. Don't miss out on this opportunity to be part of the cycle. Now, I want to go and have a look here at all assets by market cap. You guys can come and check this out. This is called companiesmarketcap.com. Come check it out for yourself. And this is the top market caps. This is all global assets. Gold is currently sitting at first place with 14.7 trillion because gold has been pumping itself as well. It's got 0.2% pump. I mean, gold is going 0.2% pumps. Bitcoin is doing 4.2% minimum every single freaking day, guys. I don't know about you, but I mean, Bitcoin is slowly but surely eating. It literally has surpassed the silver market cap now, and it is at 1.422 trillion. It is not stopping, guys. It is literally eaten up silver. It is bigger than silver now. Bitcoin market cap is bigger than silver. This is not a joke. It is coming for you, Google, Mr. Jeff Bezos. This is coming for you. And then soon after that, we will be chomping away at Amazon. We will be on the ankles of these two. Then, guys, I would say once Bitcoin surpasses the $3 trillion market cap and sits comfortably in second place, okay, hopefully in first place very soon. Once Bitcoin reaches that second place market cap at just over $3 trillion, all I have to say to you is that that is when we will see Bitcoin become money in this future, okay, in our very, very near future, okay. Why would I say that? Well, we all know these people in these companies here, plus some of these companies down here, are actually a whole bunch of people who play puppets and puppeteering with the world, okay? We all know about that, but we're not going to go into that. It's not conspiracy theory. It is conspiracy fact. Now, do your own research about that stuff. That's not what this video is about, okay? But if Bitcoin had to come and sit in second position here or first position and beat gold, all I can say to you guys, okay, is that Bitcoin will be the biggest, most well-known instrument and asset on this planet. It isn't that yet, because not everybody in the world is in Bitcoin, guys. And if you could think about that, and let alone just see what we have seen with all the institutional money coming in through this time, you guys will literally be shitting yourself because you haven't got enough Bitcoin yet. I haven't got enough Bitcoin yet. And that's shameful, because all I can say to you is that the higher it gets, the harder it gets to accumulate one Bitcoin. Okay. So it's not a joke anymore. Those of you who have not yet invested in Bitcoin, let me know down in the comments below. I want to know if you're watching my channel for so long now and you have not yet invested in Bitcoin, guys, because right now we are seeing Bitcoin pump through the roof. Okay, it has broken the ceiling. It is exploding. Not only has Bitcoin exploded, but the entire crypto market cap has exploded. Altcoins are exploding. Ethereum is exploding. Layer 2s, layer 1s, meme coins, fact coins, list coins. Guys, you could shoot in the dark here right now. I mean, look at Bitcoin dominance. We are literally getting a bit of support. Honestly, I would not be surprised. We could sit around and hover around this level, but right now we are meeting a very, very interesting level of resistance. And if we do not break this level with this volume incoming and we hit a rejection there, my goodness me, guys, the most amount of millionaires will be made during this time. Okay. And I don't know about you, but if you have been watching this channel, we have been setting up with coins like Veracity, Orange, Landshare, Bitcoin, Ethereum, AVAX, Trader Joe, Pancake, whole bunch of new meme coins, Bonk, with all kinds of things, guys. Will be ripping it. I cannot even tell you how they will be ripping it, because they will be ripping it too fast for me to keep up making videos for you guys. Okay, way too fast. I will literally have to do my entire portfolio in a video every single day for you guys to be able to keep up with that point. Now, that's going to be unrealistic, and that's why I'm going to say to you guys, I will share with you on my Telegram and my Twitter what coins I have invested in, so that you guys know which coins I am ready to enjoy making millions of dollars in this next cycle, because we have not even just begun our journey just yet. So if we are rejected, we will see a rejection probably back down here, which will set off the total crypto market cap. Ethereum will continue the pump all the way to its all-time high up here at the $4,600, $4,700 level. I think Ethereum hit, yeah, $4,900. There you go. That's Ethereum, $4,863. Okay, that's its all-time high. We are literally cruising, guys. If we do not even get a pullback here, I mean, geez, we are literally just going to pull there, and then what? Then we go into price discovery. Is it going to do the same thing as what Bitcoin is doing? Because Bitcoin is literally like an absolute, let me not say it, like a massive God candle, in other words. Okay, so now with that being said, Ethereum, where it is, guys, Ethereum hasn't pulled back. It hasn't done what it said, so it's invalidated my pattern. So I'm going to delete this. It's invalidated my pattern. Maybe we could see a pullback here and a reversal. I don't know. It's rallied so much. This is weeklies. It's done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weekly candles, guys. 7 freaking weekly candles. Wow. Now, the total market cap has not even come to its point yet. The total market cap hasn't even got to the level that we wanted to get to, which is, yes, also to its pretty much all-time highs. And if we are to draw these all-time highs, that's where I would like to see us get to. So we'd like to see about $1 trillion in altcoins in its total market cap. And that's excluding Bitcoin and excluding Ethereum. Okay. So that would really be very, very healthy, guys. And I don't know about you, but I can see huge buying into altcoins since we broke this level. So if you guys have not been buying altcoins, you have not been making money. Like, it's just as simple as that. So, that's just the real truth about this all. And essentially, you guys, make sure you guys are subscribed to my Bybit and my Bitflex. We are going to go and trade just now. So we're going to delete that. We're going to delete that one. And let's close up here. Let's give the computer just a tiny bit of RAM there, guys. The reason I had, those guys on there, I will show you now, but basically, okay, so basically, I wanted to show you this post from British Hodl. Let's do a maths exercise, and we'll keep it simple for the hillbilly Bitcoiners. He is who he is. He speaks the way he speaks. I don't know, whatever it is. Let's say there are two people. Person A, 1 million, 100% self-custody Bitcoin. Person B, 1 million, 100% ETF Bitcoin. Let's say the goal here is to preserve as much Bitcoin as possible for the lifetime of ownership. We also agree that this person is American and does not want to hand over their citizenship for freedom, and assume that they will die in America and live there for the majority of their life. Person A must sell a portion of their self-custody Bitcoin every month to pay for living expenses of $10,000 a month and things that show up. Person B utilizes the financial services built ETFs to generate a 1% income monthly on their 1 million of Bitcoin to live on. Assuming a fixed value of 1 million of Bitcoin for the purpose of the discussion, it's unrealistic as Bitcoin will appreciate. At the end of 20 years, person A will have minus 1.4 million of Bitcoin. Person B will have 1 million of Bitcoin. Okay. Now, the good news is person A will probably have a significant dollar value of Bitcoin as the price appreciates. But person B will have 100% of their starting Bitcoin and will be able to live off it for free. Whose children do you think will be happier when they pass it on? When you factor $10,000 monthly withdrawals at 30% CAGR, person one with self-custody with 10,000 monthly withdrawals would have a total final value of $105.4 million. Person B with ETF generating income with no withdrawals would have total final value of $190 million. That's an $85 million difference. Don't be stupid or emotional. It should be a sliding scale. Run bag versus wealth bag. Okay. Hope you guys understand that. If you don't understand that, let me know down in the comments below. But I think this is a very valuable article to share with you. And I want to share with you this other article from a couple things from Bitcoin Archive. So let's go and check out Bitcoin Archive and shout out to Bitcoin Archive. But basically, as you guys can see, this is from about 5 hours ago. Many big institutions now see Bitcoin as a legitimate investment, according to the Financial Times. And that's Bitwise, all kinds of things. But basically, Bitcoin on track to go up 7 months in a row for the first time in 12 freaking years, guys. Wow. The last time it did that was pretty much there and there. Now it is currently doing it. We are literally breaking through the craziest times, guys. 195%, 191%, and we're still going, guys. I think we still got tons to go. We literally smashed through. We just flipped silver. I love it. We just flipped silver. I'll even repost that. Thank you for that. Now, as you guys can see here, Michael Saylor Bitcoin is going to eat gold and divert capital from risk assets and ETFs like the SPY or the SPX, and that is the S&P 500, guys. So I don't know about you, but Mr. Andrew here, sorry if you don't have any Bitcoin. We are 37 days away from the halving, guys. That is about to literally go nuts. And Bitcoin is just 28K away from 100K. It took 33 days for Bitcoin to gain a 28K, guys. So if we do that, we are going to see some of the craziest stuff in history. 125 million leverage liquidated by the surge to 72K. That's why we saw a good pump up to the upside, guys. Now, I don't know about you, but really, let's go and have a look at some of the posts here that British hodl's talking about, there is currently 8.5 to 9 trillion of cash parked on the sidelines in US markets. I just want to read this article to you guys. We have not factored this capital pivoting and now having Bitcoin an option to pivot into. This money is happy right now with the high interest rates. But as the interest rates come down and this capital realizes the crash that is waiting for is not coming, it will rush not only for returns, but it will rush to catch up on returns it's missed out with real negative rates in the last 18 months. I can assume that $8.5 trillion of cash will now be assessing Bitcoin as a possible allocation while the price just keeps going up. Guys, 100 billion of just this 8.5 trillion cash sitting on sideline, which has been missing out on returns for the last year, is just 1.16% of that cash. Whatever you think is currently happening to Bitcoin, it's not even the warm-up yet. This is like the fighter walking into the building towards the warm-up being around 150K, 200K, then the show really begins. I do agree with him. I do love it. And guys, I think we are literally only getting started. I mean, he's talking about 8.5 to 9 trillion. I was only talking about $150 billion. And on top of it, only $55 billion has come in. Do you guys see this? This is crazy. This is mad. Okay. Don't think you actually get this. I don't think you understand this. This total crypto market cap is going to obliterate the 10 to $15 trillion level without a doubt. It is no doubt. Guys, I have not been here, okay, for all the bull cycles. Okay, I have not been in crypto for all the bull cycle, but I have been in crypto for a little over 4 years now. I have experienced the trauma and pain of a bear cycle. I was in it on the way up. I felt the pain in the crash, lost lots of money, got scammed, but I stood strong, and now my accounts are doing flipping well. I am very well up. I have 10x'd my entire, not even 10x, I think I've 6x, excuse me, 6x'd my entire portfolio. Okay, if I had to put everything in one basket, I have 6x'd my entire portfolio in the last few months. Let's call it 1 year, okay, because we have been in a bull cycle for more than 1 year already. Now, I hope you guys are enjoying this so far. If you are, let me know down in the comments below. I hope you guys have obliterated the thumbs up button, and of course come over to my Bybit link so that you guys can come and trade with me, guys. We're gonna see what we do in a short moment, but essentially, guys, I was talking to you about the meme coins. I think meme coins are definitely a place to look at right now. I'm going to show you where I've put my money in. I've got money in Doge, I've got money in Shiba, I've got money in Pepe, I've got money in Floki. I am going to be buying at $2, around the $2 level. I think we're going to pull back just a slight little bit in Dogwoof. I've got Dogwoof, I've got some Bonk, I've got Corgi AI. I'm going to get me some of this MAGA, which is a Trump coin, guys. Look at this tiny, tiny, tiny little market cap. I'm definitely going to load up on some more Cock Inu. Myro, not a chance. That's the Solana owner's dog. I mean, I'm not trading money on somebody's dog. Like, these other meme coins have communities. They have energy together. They're community run. Why do you think Dodge and Shiba have been the way they have been? Pepe, Floki, these things are all community based. Community is the most important thing in meme coins, guys. So what else do I have some of? I have some Snake. I've got a little bit of Grok. I would love to get some Toshi. It's up quite nicely today, though. I did buy some Welsh the other day. I have been trading Turbo a little bit. I've got some Samoyed coin. I'm actually up on Samoyed coin. Look at this tiny little market cap. This is the Solana meme coin. Okay, so this and Silly Dragon and Solana. These are the meme coins on Solana. Now, guys, this is only $70 million. Like, if this 10x's, That's 700 million dollars. We haven't even hit $1 billion market cap. Okay. And I'm talking about some of these hitting $1 billion market caps. So, like, I don't know about you, but I have already 1,000% gained. In fact, 1,300% gain on my Samu bag. Okay. And it's only a $70 million market cap. So, this is the kind of stuff that I'm sharing and showing you guys. I would say, Ponke has been pumping a little bit too much. Volt Inu, definitely. Optimus AI for sure. Mochi's quite cool. Wojak is quite cool. I don't own Wojak. I did invest in Bob right in the beginning, but I just found that to be a shit coin, really. Yeah, what else here? Kishu Inu. Let's go and see. I want to show you guys some stuff that I think could actually Snail could pump. I think that's definitely. I mean, look at how small Snail is, guys. Snail is only 19 million. Hodge Finance, not really. Catcoin, Kitty Inu, Husky, Egg Dog. No. Like you guys can see, I haven't even invested in any of these lower cap meme coins, guys. But I mean, look at this. King has, I mean, it's only 2 million market cap, and its volume is about 10% of that, which is actually pretty good. So I would actually have a look at that one, just as an example, because that's pumped in the last 7 days to 537%. So I'll look at that in my spare time, and I'll let you guys know about that. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. But yeah, we'll leave that meme coin saga for you guys. Let's go and see. Is there a trade to take here with Crypto Banter? If you guys want to take a trade with me now, we're going to do that in a moment. So make sure to sign up using my links down below. But okay, King Coin. What's this? $2 million market cap, fully diluted 2 million, fully trading. There's 10. That's not bad. That's really not bad, actually. It's made a massive pump. It's on its way to all-time highs. It is a Solana coin. I'd love to go and check out the community and see if this coin could pump. If you're going to spend $10 on this coin, you're going to get 43,000. $100 will give you 430,000. $1,000 will give you 4.3 million. And $10,000 will give you 430 million. Okay, we're down 66% from the all-time high on this. And where can you buy King? So, what is the fully dilated? Okay. King tokens be traded in decentralized exchanges. Let's go and see. Radium, Mexi, Poloniex, Jupiter. So you can go and trade them on those if you like. I usually get my meme coins on Mexi as well. Mexi and some on Bybit. So use my Bybit link down below because you can get that. So we're up 23% on this coin, guys. It's very, very few people. Honestly, I think I would, I would put, I mean, if this coin, 10x is 20 million, 100x is 200 million, 1000x is 2 billion, 1000x, guys, 2 billion. I mean, if you guys had to put $10 in and 1000x $10, you make $10,000. You see that? You're risking $10 to make $10,000. So I'm definitely going to have a look at this. I'm going to put in maybe $100 into this coin. Even though it's made a crazy pump, I will put $100 into this coin. It's breaking through this resistance level, which tells me that it wants to continue to go up. So I'm not going to tell you guys what to do, but this community is already actually 33,000 followers. OG on Solana meme coin, guys. Yeah, I definitely am going to be looking at this. I think we are going to be making a huge breakout on this coin, guys. So I'm definitely we're going to be knocking on the doors of 100 million market cap soon. I like it. I mean, it's ambitious. It can get there. I mean, that's a 50x away from where it is right now, guys. So, if I put $100 in there at 50x's, that's 50 grand. Just by the way. Oh, sorry, 5 grand. Not 50 grand, 5 grand. Not bad for $100, right? So, and that's only $100 million market cap. So, I mean, we could, guys. We could do some crazy stuff out there. So, let's go and pick a trade for us to go and get onto. But make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. I see some of you are running away. But anyways, I hope you guys are having crazy amounts of fun here. And, yeah, we've got lots and lots to share with you. So, I hope you are just having crazy amounts of fun here. All right, let's go and check out now our trades on Bybit, guys. Let's go and have a nice, beautiful squiz here. And let's go and see what Bitcoin is currently doing. Wowzy, wowzy, wow. Look at Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin is getting ready. I mean, look, Bitcoin is in somewhat a bit on the 4-hourly time frame. It's actually in a little bit of a rising wedge pattern, which for me is not very friendly because that is bearish. A rising wedge pattern is generally bearish. It's not quite a wedge; it's a channel more than a wedge. And right now, we really are in just price discovery. So yeah, I mean, it is somewhat, this is area is a bit larger than that, but I mean, really, guys, we are literally on the way to breaking upwards and outwards of the zone. There's a bit of resistance on the upside here. So maybe we pull back down to the 68K level, then we carry on pushing forward. You know, but right now the daily is telling us like we literally are doing a W on the RSI and higher lows, which tells me that we are literally going to just absolutely continue the upside, guys. So the target is all the way up at 75, 76K from this bear flag, this bull flag pattern here. Remember, I put this here for you. So 76K is the target. Once we get to 76K, guys, we'll have a look at what the candles start doing around that area. But I would not never ever sell my spot Bitcoin. Okay, that's not what I'm saying to you. But I may take some profits on my actual Bitcoin trade here, eventually at that level. I mean, look at my Pepe. My Pepe is down tremendously, and I've added to this position. So if it's going down some more, I will just add a little bit more. I'd like to build up my Pepe position to get to maybe like $200 here, guys. And I'd like to then trade that up with Pepe, you know, because Pepe, as you guys can see, is only a $3 billion market cap. If Pepe can 10x right now, and I 10x with a trade at 25x leverage, I would make 5,000% gains, guys. And you guys could do that too if you entered in. So I will make sure that on this trade, we just look at the position, see where we're at, and maybe we can actually do that first. So let's go and have a quick squiz at Mr. Pepe and see what Mr. Pepe is doing on the chart, because this is how you can actually just get into the position just a little bit more. So Pepe is down just ever so slightly for the day, which is not bad, guys. You know, and XRP unfortunately is pumping a bit. I mean, we've pumped 20% today. So to get into a leverage trade today would be a little bit futile, but not so bad. So okay, here's where I'm a little bit concerned because the RSI is kind of exhausting itself on this. So we could see a pullback. I mean, we could have a decent pullback on this coin would be a good idea. But if we sit here like this on the daily on this coin, we literally are waiting to break out of this level. And really, the volume is slowing down a little bit at the moment, probably because we haven't seen any retail investors come into this coin or into this property and actually start to buy lots more of it. So, you know, we are quite close to my stop loss. So, like I said to you, I would just move my stop loss ever so slightly under my levels. And right now, because you can see where I bought earlier, I got stopped out there. So I bought here and then I got stopped out there because I put my wick, yeah, where was it? Must have been somewhere, yeah. Okay, I got stopped out there. Then I bought some more there. I mean, I should have bought it there. I don't know why I didn't, but it's okay. What I did see, though, was a breakout of this level and currently still retesting. So that's why I'm going to continue to buy at this level here right now, even if we're down a little bit. So let's go and say 857. So 85699. Let's go and do 699. And I'm going to say I'm going to put another 20,000 into it. See, I'm just building up my position slowly. Okay, so I will buy long. Okay, and wait for that. So now you see, I look at my estimated liquidation price, confirm. I am a little bit above it, a little bit below it. So That's all good. So 8.2 kind of takes me around here. So there's a bit of breathing space, but there's no breathing space for wicks. You see what I mean? And the only reason that is because I'm on a bit of high leverage with Pepe at the moment. So, that is causing that. But this next buy will probably bring this buy entry down probably a little bit lower. And if it falls a little bit lower, you add a little bit more, it brings it down a little bit more. You can move your stop loss down, and you just bought this, guys. This is going to explode, whether you like it or not. And that's just one of the trades that I'd like you to just be very, very conscious of. So that's one trade. I did want to get into my Ethereum, but that is not Ethereum. This morning I got into an Ethereum trade. I only got in a small leverage, guys, because Ethereum's already kind of very high. But I put like a $32 trade at a 6x leverage. So that's 200 into the trade. And I'm up 17% there. Up on, so my Aptos trade is down 3% from the other day. My GRT trade, I'm up 138%, but I only put $6.70 in there. So I'd like to actually go and see GRT at the moment and what GRT is doing, because if I'm up that much, oh wow, Glimmer, man, I wanted to enter that trade yesterday, man. Glimmer and Beam, because Glimmer and Beam were looking great. Okay, so now this doesn't look that great, to be very honest, but it has also got a down sloper and then a slight horizontal support somewhere around this level. So, there is a bit of a bull flag sitting up there once again. There's the bull flag, essentially, okay? But if we do break to the bottom, yeah, that's the next level on GRT, guys. So I would be comfortable to say, this is where I got into the trade. I would actually say I would be comfortable to move my stop loss up to the break-even point right now, so that I'm in a risk-free trade. This is how you trade, guys. Trading is not just put the thing in the computer and let it do its thing. You actually have to manage it quite nicely. Okay, and this is managing your trade, and it's managing your risk. Now, I'm going to just patiently wait. There you go. The Pepe entered, guys. We entered into more Pepe. So it brought my Pepe down a little bit, and it's now got me $35 in. Okay, so now we're looking very, very high on this trade so far. So we'll have to see how that goes. But I mean, we saw Gala pumping, we saw Near is pumping wild. I mean, we could actually have a little bit, and ID UST. Let's see if we can maybe look at this. I mean, this is up 10% for the day, so let's see where it's at. Maybe this could, oh no, that's going to be a sell. Oh no, not necessarily. Not necessarily, but I mean, that is quite a pump from 57. That's there, it's 100% pump. Yeah, maybe it needs a bit of a pullback, that one. Okay, AVAX. AVAX is pumping out. Cardano, guys. Cardano just keeps going. I can't. Cardano, I missed. Pith. Man, I missed that Pith as well. Okay, let's go and see Pith, guys. Let's go and see if Pith is actually broken out. If Pith hasn't broken out, this might be, ooh, that's fudge cracking juicy, guys. Look at that. Breakout. It's a bit of a fake out. And a retest currently of that high. Okay, that little point. That's very, very decent so far for me. However, we're a little bit overbought, but we're making a W pattern. Plus, we're making higher lows and higher highs. So it is a very high possibility. And the buy volume's coming in. So those are my indicators that are confirming, guys. I'd prefer the daily candle to close above this little peak here. That would be very, very much amazing. So I think this is a decent trade. Are we going to 10x it? Are we going to 10x Pith? Shall we 10x Pith? Yeah, I think we can 10x Pith. Okay, so 8.4. 8.4. Let's go see here. 8.448. I like those numbers. Let's go and see what 10 Pith would cost us. 10 would cost. Okay, let's get 100 Pith worth. Okay, let's start off. Always start off slowly, guys. And then you see, I want to put my stop loss at least here under this 57. So hopefully we can. Okay, so 0.57 or 0.58. 0.58. No, that's 300%. So you see, I can't do that. So then you have to reduce your risk, etc., on your trade. But essentially, you could put a stop loss there at 75. So I mean, if you really, really were confident in this trade and you wanted to take it comfortably, you could put the stop loss at 75. And hold on, you see there. So 8439. So like you can always just make sure that you're getting your best entry price, guys. That's just the simplicity of it, really. Okay, so 100 pith. That's our trade. There's our stop loss below this wicking candle. There we go. We entered into it already. Fan-freaking-tastic. Okay, so there's one trade that we've entered into now for you guys. I think pith was a nice one, actually. Let's go see if we can find any other trades. You know, I would love to have trade EOS. I think EOS has done well. Phantom's definitely going to be doing well. Let's go and see stock and say, my sale got kicked out of. BNB has been pumping like crazy over the last little while. Stock is getting ready to break out, guys. Stock is getting ready to break out. I don't know about you, but look at that crazy freaking. I'm going to be entering a isolated. So we select isolated. I don't want to use cross. I don't use cross. So $2. Let's go 55. $2 there, 4.55. And then let's go 10. What does 10 cost us? Stock. Yes, yeah, guys. I actually think stock could really pump quite crazily. 10. Let's go 50. Let's start off small, right? In fact, I like my numbers, 33. So let's start off with 33. Okay, we want our stop loss maybe at least under the $2. Yeah, $2.12 I'm happy with. If we can put it under there, that would be great. $2.10. Oh, that's 1,400. Okay, so like $2.20 maybe. Okay, we'll leave it at $2.20 for now. And 2458, 2455. Okay, buy long. Okay, 2230. So if I want to go and adjust my stop loss, 2230, so 2233 would be like the most ideal place. Okay, so that your stop loss has got breathing room, guys. That's what I keep saying to you. So now I'll put that entry in on stock. I think stock could be one. Let's go and see maybe one more. Maybe Arbitrum, ARB. Where are you, Arb? Yeah, because there you go. My entire order has been filled. So guys, you can't tell me I'm not trading with you guys tonight. And this is looking absolutely juicemente. Arb, what's going on here, Arb? Whoa, Arb is making an interesting pattern, guys. I mean, Arb is making a very, very large kind of bull flag pennanty kind of thing. And this is declining as well. That's declining. The price action is declining. Those are good signals. And of course, then your target from this would be, I would say this is the proper target. So I would say nearly $4. It would be a very good target for Arbitrum. I think Arbitrum, guys, here could be a good. I'm going to go isolated. I'm going to go very small on my leverage on this one. Okay. Just right now, because I think Arbitrum, so if I go 30, also 33, yeah, there you go. I'm happy with that. Okay, Arbitrum. So I'd like to put my stop loss under this level. Okay, so under this wicking level, so $1.60. If we can do $1.60, that would be great. So you see, that's not ideal. So $1.66, $1.70, $1.72. $1.73. Okay, we're within boundaries, guys. Okay, $1.73 because you can't lose more than 100%. Like that's just the simplicity of it. Okay, so buy and confirm. Okay, $1.75 is that level. 33 order submitted successfully. So we've successfully submitted that order. Guys, if this stays in the green, I would expect us to start going on a major pump to the upside. And I think that's what I'm going to be looking at with you guys for today. So my Pepe trade, I'll keep you guys posted. My Aptos, Guys, Aptos is going to go ballistic, eh? I think even my Aptos, I would even want to put a little bit more. Maybe let's go and look at Aptos one more time. APT. Let's go and look at Aptos. Yeah, because we up 5% on Aptos today, guys. So let's go and see Aptos here. Oh, yeah, geez, like. Oh, yeah. Wow. Aptos getting ready, guys. 1330. I'm going to put 1336, 666. Okay. Then let's get another 10 Aptos. No? Are we going to get another 10 Aptos? Or are we going to get another 5 Aptos? Let's get another 5 Aptos going. Okay. That's what we said. Confirm, confirm. All right, guys. I think that's enough trading for everyone today. And guys, I haven't really shown you how to trade properly. I've just shown you what to look out for. And the reason why I would be looking at some of these trades at the moment. And essentially, I would be looking at some of these trades at the moment because they either have been down a little bit or they haven't yet had their crazy pumps. You know, and if Bitcoin continues, Stacks is going to continue, and so many others will also continue. So I don't know. Let's go to have a look at a random Pixel USDT. Now Theta, guys, Theta's been pumping like crazy. I mean, she's like Theta. Okay, this thing is going to be coming down. So this is a sell. It's a huge sell. I don't like sells, guys. I really don't like them at all. But I mean, I guess you could go. I mean, if you really wanted to go on a sell, I would do maybe, I'm going to do 3x on this, guys. I don't like sells, particularly, like I keep saying. And 85, 65, 85, 69. Okay, let's do 1. How much is 1? Let's do 10. Okay, let's do 30. Okay, let's do 30. I'm happy with 30. Stop loss will be up at $1.02. Stop loss 1.02. Okay, make it 1.05 so that we don't get kicked out. Must be lower than the price. Stop. Oh, sorry, that's why. Short 105. Okay, there you go. Okay, so confirm. And actually, I want to put my take profit. I think my take profit can go there. So let's go and look at that. I think take profit at 70 cents would be a good level. So take profit at, oh boy. Okay, so take profit at 0.70. Okay, so that's 55% profit, guys. And that's only because I'm doing 3x. Now I wonder if I did maybe a 6x here, what that would look like. Let's go and see, guys. 6x, okay, I'll be happy to do 60 then. Okay, 6x, and then stop loss, short, 1.05. Can we do that? No, so 1.03. I think 1.03 will be reasonable. And then we can sell short. Estimated at 98.25. 98.25. I mean, that's up there. So it's reasonable. It's reasonable, but it's not that reasonable. Okay, so we can work with it, guys. We can work with it. Okay. So 85, 85, 85, 85. Oh, we're in the trade already, guys. So yeah, I mean, here you go. There's a short. I don't like shorts. But honestly, guys, I think, you know, that's one to look at the moment because it is looking desperately short. I need to add that to my list. So, guys, I hope you've had fun here. I think I'm going to call it a day on the video. I gave you a little bit of extra time there today, but I've got lots to do. So, truly appreciate every single last one of you beautiful beings and hope that you have had the most fun, beautiful, gorgeous time here with me and truly appreciate you all. Much love, beautiful blessings, and we will see you on the next one. Make sure to use my links down below, guys. Lots and lots of trading up in grabs for you.